Hello everybody and welcome to the first episode of this series in which we will be looking how to install Flutter in our system. As I have Windows system with me, so we will be doing that. First, for installing Windows, go to this link. The link will be in the description below. And please look into that. You have all these system requirements. Operating system and disk space only. Tools we will be looking one by one. Okay. And the next step is to get the Flutter SDK. To do that, you can download it, or if you want to clone the repo, you can do that. In this process, first go to your C drive, make a folder src with name src. Don't do it program files or anything else, where. Do it in src. After src, open a cmd window. Open a cmd window and go into that folder cd src. And when you are in this directory csrc, go and copy this and just copy this and please enter. It means showing this error because already I have installed my Flutter. In yours it will not do. Okay, and after this repo cloning, please go to your env, your environment variables, and now in your path, in your return here csrc flutter bin. Please register this variable in your system. To do that, you can either click on any empty space, or by clicking new you can write. And after writing this src flutter bin, please keep it as OK, and it will be now ready to use. What this will do, that you can even use Flutter in your CMD, the Flutter command. Like, let me show you. In CMD, you can do Flutter. You can use Flutter command in your CMD after doing that. See, it's showing that my Flutter version is this. If you do not register your variable in the environment window, you won't be able to do your command lines operation in CMD. But if you don't want to update your path, you can even go to the repo of Flutter, like what we have just downloaded, and you can see somewhere here Flutter console. After clicking it, even you don't register, you can here use Flutter commands. Now the first step, what you should do after installing, you should write flutter doctor. It will install the Flutter SDK and it will check that if your system is good to go or not. So after a little time, it will take, I think so, 2 to 3 minutes. Depends on system. Yeah, like in me, the only important thing you should have is the Flutter and Android toolchain and one of the system like Android or VS Code. So now the next step is I usually do in Studio only, as the developers do. If your system is not able to run Android Studio, you can use VS Code. It's much more lighter than Android Studio. So for the Studio, and even for the git command, I forgot to tell, even for git command you should have git downloaded in your system. So go to this link, it will be also in description, and just respective with your system, operating system, you can download a git. And after that, go to the site of Android Studio and please install the software. Setting up the Android device is not necessary now. when you will make an app, you will be able to set up your device. You can either use your mobile, your own personal mobile, or an emulator. So after doing all these things, we can start our coding, or I should say developing. So it will take you. Now my Android Studio is open. So in this window, can you see the configure option? Yeah, this configure option. Please now go to plugins. After plugins, you have to install two things. One is okay. Sorry here. So after going to the marketplace option, search here dot. Yeah, you will see this, and please install it. And dot, and the second is the Flutter plugin. After Flutter plugin, yeah, after installing these two, one is Dart and one is Flutter, please restart the IDE to make all this happen. And now let's meet after restarting. So we are back. After correctly installing those two plugins, you can see here a start new Flutter project. So click on the start. We will be making a simple Flutter application, no need for anything. So up the name anything like first app, and here you can, if this is in your PC, if it's empty, please fill it by clicking this triple dot, and after clicking in C option, SRC Flutter. Okay, next, and you can give any package name, whatever you want, and then you can click finish, and your project will be ready. Okay, let me finish this. Our system is loading, and here it is. Our Flutter first app is ready to rock. And if you want to run this, you can easily run. Please try it your own. First, I will tell you in the next video how to do that. I believe most of you have done Android programming before, so you know how to install that AVD manager or how to run app in your mobile phones. So in the next video, next episode, I would say we will do some basic stuffs in Flutter, that what this code make in your mobile and what this code means line by line. So let's meet. Don't worry, that if you have any doubt, please write in the comment section and I will try to rectify them.